Hello everyone, welcome to my weekly glam. Today I want to share with you 10 ways on how to make beauty ice cubes for different skin types. Beauty ice cubes, they're true salvation for your skin. They're very easy to make and they give plenty of benefits to your skin. They tone up, refresh the skin, improve blood microcirculation, and nourish the skin with natural elements. The main thing here is to pick up the right recipe according to your skin type. And in this video, you will definitely find a recipe for yourself. All the information about the recipes and how to use the ice cubes, I will leave in the description box below with the link to my website www.nhbglam.com. All the information will be there. Enjoy the recipes and I hope that you will like them. I hope that you enjoyed the recipe so far. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel clicking on the red button below this video and the notification bell as well, so you will get notified every single time when I post new videos on my channel. And I wish you all the best. Thanks for staying with me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.